Okay guys, I went back and I looked at our code, and this is going to be our fix. Okay, so what we did, we updated everything and everything worked, but we needed to change the session that was running. Okay, we noticed that the session that was running before was having the username as Caleb Chibike. Now we updated the username and changed the username. Okay, so we need to update the session as well. Okay, so back to this place, I'm going to say $sign underscore session, and we're going to say admin underscore user is equal to our username. Okay, so let's check that out. Header, okay, admin underscore user. Okay, so let's try that out again, and I'm gonna add my last name, and probably let's just refresh. Okay, so the last name is gonna be let's say Caleb this time around. Password admin 101. I'll go back to admin 101. Okay, so save, and probably it should work this time around. Okay, so it worked this time and everything is working, but I noticed that the last name is not updating. Let's see what we have in the last name. So updates, oh, last name, we're passing in a wrong variable there. Okay, so let's try that out once more, and I'm gonna change the last name again. I keep on changing it. So admin Udemy, so I'll change my last name to Udemy. Okay, and password admin 101, and I'm gonna save, and it should work this time. Okay, so we get admin Udemy, first name and last name. Okay, so I'm really sorry about that error. I mean, I was just freaked out when I saw that it didn't work out, so I had to go back and fix it. Okay, so in the next lecture we're going to be working on the user profile image. Okay, so we're going to display a button where they can click and change this profile image to the desired image that they need. Okay, all right, so I'll see you then. Bye.